First, we add the fresh herbs and garlic. Then, a sprinkle of breadcrumbs and a fresh egg. Now gently work the spices into the beef. Perfect, full of flavor and ready to cook. We begin with premium beef. Then blend in fresh herbs and cheese till they are perfectly round. Freshly ground beef, infused with garlic and aromatic herbs, searing to create that perfect golden brown crust. Experience flavor in every single bite. We start with ripe, sun-drenched tomatoes. Then we add fresh garlic, sweet onions, and aromatic herbs. Let it simmer slowly to perfection.
Fresh parsley, garlic, and a blend of Italian herbs.
Juicy beef meatballs are nestled in a rich tomato sauce topped with fresh mozzarella and basil, all wrapped flaky buttery crust. Fresh crust, savory meatballs, tangy tomato, and stretchy cheese. Every bite layers flavor and texture.
This pie tastes even better together.
Absolutely, nothing beats a family meal like this.